Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. We are in Jakarta, Indonesia, and we are walking in the jewelry district of Jakarta today. I will little bit walk around jewelry district, show you how the jewelry works in here in Jakarta, Indonesia. I will hang out a little bit in the local area, see the Indonesian daily life, Indonesian business, Indonesian food. It's early morning, shops are just opening, so we start our day in Indonesia today. Selamat datang Indonesia. The jewelry district has different stores, but inside the building, so we are in one of the buildings. Here you can see there is sales, but plus there is a little bit of manufacture and repair of the products. The guy is setting the stones here, and Aman is owner of the shop, is taking care of the shop. Everything is compact. You can buy, order, you can bring your products to repair. There is even a facility here for melting the gold. Here is another shop in the building. As you can see, the front side is for trading, so the customers come here, choose their models, especially they choose natural stones and synthetic stones and choose the models. So the jewelers, you can see here there are more than 7 benches, so probably 7 different people can work here at the same time. So as the customer choose their model, they can prepare the model and deliver to the customer probably in 1-2 days. Also jeweler stores here, so you can just come and buy ready products, and just beside the jeweler stores we see these small workshops where you can choose your stone model and order your products. So ready products and special order products, all is available in this building. Many different food options in Jakarta, and that's a landmark place of the jewelry district of Jakarta. They are specialized on nasi goreng, which is Indonesian rice. They specialize on different types of noodles. So during my walk in the jewelry district of Jakarta, I want to have my food on this famous place of the district where most jewelers, most shop owners of the area is going every day. Many types of noodle in the menu, but I requested for the most popular one of this place, and they brought it with a soup. Probably I can put it inside, and they really nice coffee, Indonesian coffee of course. You know, the taste is really different in Asia, but pretty nice. There are different tastes, and they usually mix different tastes. They usually don't do a single taste as mostly in Europe, but they mix of different tastes, different flavors, different spices. So you feel more of the food, more different variety of the food, especially when you get used, you start realizing what's the different small differences between food. And that time you can enjoy more about Indonesian food, about Asian food. Near the jewelry district there are also different shops about textile, about shoes, about fashion. That's many different countries. For example, in Turkey, near the Grand Bazaar, you can find different textile shops, different industries. That's more or less similar here in Jakarta. On the way to the jewelry district, we are passing different stores. Building and the area was just one of the jewelry districts of Jakarta. There is more jewelry district for focused on retail, focused on production, focused on small shops. Even there is an area focused on tool supply. So Jakarta is a really big city. Even for jewelry, there are many options. It's getting late a little bit, so I'm going for a lunch, and then I will head to my next destination in Asia. After 4 days in Jakarta jewelry exhibition, we have a great booth, and we had a great exhibition meeting our customers. 3 years of COVID-19 again after 3 years. Today, the last day, I had a walk in the Jakarta Jewelry District, and now I'm heading to my next destination in Asia. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to have a check at Jakarta Jewelry Exhibition video. It's also on YouTube. I posted in the previous weeks. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next videos, next destinations.